Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Valorant voice chat not working, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is open up Valorant, go over to the settings, from here go over to audio, and then from here go over to voice chat. So the first thing that you guys want to make sure is that the output and input device is set to your headphones and it's not set to like the default system device or something else. And if you have multiple devices, just make sure that it's set to the correct one. Also, another thing that you guys can do is make sure that your mic volume is not set to the zero, so it's set to like something, if it's here, then obviously nobody's gonna be able to hear you. So go ahead and just turn that all the way up, or whatever, it's up to you. And another thing that you guys can do is you guys can open up the loopback test, and once you do, it will basically allow you to like hear back what you're saying. So if you're not able to hear yourself at all, then obviously the issue is still happening. But if you are, then you should be good to go. And another thing that you guys can do is make sure that you have party voice chat turned on and party voice activation mode, either push to talk or automatic. But that really doesn't matter because it's not like you can turn it off. But anyways, yeah. So just make sure you have party voice chat on and team voice chat on. And another thing that you guys can do is make sure that you have the right like push to talk key. Maybe if you're using like T, but it's actually set to V, and that's why it's not actually like you're not able to talk. And yeah, so just make sure that you have the right keybinds. And then after all of this, the other thing that you guys can do is just run Valorant. We'll go ahead and right click on it and just run as. Go ahead and right click on Valorant and hit run as an administrator, and open up Valorant this way and check to see if that fixes the issue. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.